Hello everyone. Today we embark on an exciting journey to Brochia Orchards, one of the largest and most renowned apple farms in the United States. Our adventure will take us through the entire process of how billions of apples are grown, harvested, and transformed into delicious cider and apple cider vinegar. Located in the heart of Washington State, Brochia Orchards is a beacon of innovation and excellence in apple farming, utilizing cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices to produce top-quality apples for both domestic consumption and export. The journey of an apple begins in the lush fields of Brochia Orchards, where planting typically takes place in mid-February. This timing is crucial as it allows the apple trees to establish strong roots before the warmer months arrive. Brochia Orchards specializes in a variety of apple types, including the ever-popular Fuji and Red Delicious, as well as cider-specific varieties that have a slightly bitter and dry taste. These cider apples, though not as palatable for direct consumption, are perfect for creating the tangy, flavorful cider and apple cider vinegar we enjoy. After planting, the dedicated farmers at Brochia Orchards begin the meticulous process of nurturing the young apple trees. This includes regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing to ensure optimal growth. About 2 months into the growing season, the entire orchard is fertilized to provide the trees with the necessary nutrients to thrive. The care and attention given to each tree are evident as they grow stronger and taller, preparing for the eventual bloom and fruit-bearing stages. Early spring marks a beautiful transformation in the orchard as millions of apple blossoms begin to bloom. This period is critical for the future harvest, as it is when pollination occurs. Brochia Orchards employs millions of honeybees to assist in this process, ensuring that each flower is pollinated and can develop into a healthy apple. The sight of the blooming orchard buzzing with bees is a testament to the harmonious relationship between agriculture and nature. The time from planting to harvesting apples at Brochia Orchards typically ranges from 3 to 5 years, depending on the variety. For cider apples, this period allows the fruit to develop the unique characteristics that make them ideal for cider production. In New York, for example, apple trees take about 4 years to reach their first harvest. During this time, the trees are carefully monitored and maintained, with farmers ensuring they receive the right amount of water, sunlight, and nutrients. When the time finally comes to harvest the apples, Brochia Orchards employs both traditional methods and modern machinery to gather the fruit efficiently. Unlike the process of harvesting premium apples in Washington, which is done with great care to avoid bruising, cider apples can be harvested more quickly and with less concern for minor damage. This is because the apples will soon be crushed and processed, and slight bruising does not affect the quality of the cider or vinegar produced. After harvesting, billions of apples are transported to the processing facilities at Brochia Orchards. Here, the apples are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Apples that do not meet the strict quality standards are discarded to ensure only the best fruit is used. First, the apples are fed into grinders, where they are crushed into a pulp. This pulp is then transferred to a press, where high pressure is applied to separate the juice from the apple pomace. The juice obtained from this process is filtered to remove any remaining debris, ensuring the juice is clear and clean. This juice serves as the base for the orchard's renowned products. The juice is then fermented using a secret recipe developed by the orchard, creating the distinctive taste of broachie cider and apple cider vinegar. The fermentation process is a critical stage in the production of cider and apple cider vinegar. During fermentation, the natural sugars in the apple juice are inverted into alcohol and then into acetic acid for vinegar. This process is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect balance of flavors. Once fermentation is complete, the cider and vinegar are filtered and bottled, ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. In 2023, broachie orchards experienced a record-breaking harvest, producing over 500,000 tons of apples. This impressive yield is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers, as well as the favorable growing conditions throughout the year. The abundant harvest not only meets the increasing demand for apples and apple products, but also reinforces broachie orchards' position as a leader in the apple farming industry. Apples play a crucial role in the agricultural landscape of the United States. They are a significant crop that supports the livelihood of thousands of farmers and contributes substantially to the economy. The apple industry is vital for producing a wide range of products, from fresh fruit to processed goods like cider, apple cider vinegar, and applesauce. These products are not only enjoyed domestically, but are also key exports that promote American agricultural excellence on the global stage. Farms like broachie orchards highlights the importance of innovation, sustainability, and dedication in maintaining the industry's growth and prosperity. Our journey through broachie orchards has given us a deeper appreciation for the hard work and dedication that goes into every apple product. From the careful nurturing of the trees to the sophisticated processing techniques, every step is taken with the utmost care to ensure the highest quality. As we conclude our visit, we invite you to taste the exceptional cider and apple cider vinegar produced here, and to share your thoughts on these delightful drinks. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to seeing you again at broachie orchards. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.
For more videos please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.